All right, let's step into the ring for what might just be the intellectual title fight of our time. In one corner, you've got the challenger, the incredibly fast, data-crunching power of artificial intelligence, and in the other corner, our reigning champion, the creative, complicated, and emotional human mind. This is going to be interesting.
So, let's just get right to it. The big question. Who is actually smarter, AI or humans? Now, on the face of it, that sounds like a simple question, but digging into it really makes you think about what intelligence even is. This isn't really about crowning a single winner, it's about understanding two totally different kinds of smarts.
Okay, ding ding. Round one is all about speed and data. We're talking pure, raw computational horsepower, the ability to just chew through information at a scale that's, well, almost impossible for us to imagine. And in this category, let's be honest, it's a knockout.
I mean, modern AI is literally engineered for this stuff. It can sift through and analyze massive libraries of information in the time it takes you to snap your fingers. That's a job that would take a single person thousands of years. And here's the kicker. It does it all without ever getting tired and without making a single calculation mistake.
Yeah, when you look at it visually, when it comes to just pure processing power, it's not even a fair fight. The difference between what an AI can compute and what a human can is just staggering. And that gives AI this massive, almost unbeatable edge in any task that's all about crunching the numbers.
And we see this raw power at work all around us, every single day. You know, that chatbot that's handling thousands of customer questions at the exact same time, or a self-driving car that's processing millions of data points every second just to navigate a busy street. That's all possible because of this incredible speed. They're doing things we humans just physically can't do.
But hold on, the fight is far from over. Because raw power and speed, well, they aren't the whole story. For round two, we're stepping into a completely different ring, one where humans have always been the undisputed champion, the world of creativity, of understanding context, and of emotion.
So here's the core difference, right? AI is an absolute master at finding and then copying patterns from all the data it's seen before. But humans, we're the ones who come up with genuinely new, original thoughts. We create art that makes people cry. We build relationships based on real empathy. An AI can generate a painting that looks like a Van Gogh, but can it actually be moved by one?
And this is where our kind of intelligence really shines. I'm talking about true innovation. That's not just about rearranging old data. It's that unpredictable spark of imagination. Our most important decisions are often guided by our emotions and our gut feelings. And our understanding of the world isn't just built on information. It's built on a whole lifetime of personal experiences.
So, how do we end up with two intelligences that are so profoundly different? Well, the answer really goes back to the very beginning, to how each one learns. And this is where the contrast between them becomes crystal clear.
Think of an AI's brain, what we call a neural network. It's an incredible piece of engineering, no doubt about it. But at the end of the day, it's like a student that can only learn from the textbooks that we give it. Its knowledge is huge, but it's ultimately stuck inside the boundaries of the massive datasets that we humans fed to it.
The human brain, though, that's a whole different ballgame. It's this biological marvel that learns and literally rewires itself through this rich, sometimes messy mix of real-world experiences, emotional feedback, talking with other people, and just plain old trial and error. We don't just process data, we learn by living.
Okay, so let's look at the scorecard. AI clearly takes the prize for speed. Humans, on the other hand, are the champions of creativity. So what does all this actually mean for our future? Well, this isn't about setting up one final winner-take-all match. It's about recognizing that this is the beginning of a really powerful partnership.
Because for all of its incredible power, let's be super clear about one thing. AI is fundamentally dependent on us. We are the architects who design and build it. We are the librarians who gather and provide the knowledge that it learns from. And most importantly, we are the ones who give it a goal, a purpose.
You know, maybe we've been asking the wrong question this whole time. Maybe it's not about who's smarter. The real story here is that we're building this incredibly powerful tool, an amazing tool that's not designed to compete with us, but to amplify our own intelligence in ways we're only just starting to figure out.
And that really brings us to the bottom line, the most important takeaway. Yes, AI is powerful, but we're the ones in the driver's seat. Control is still in our hands. And as this technology keeps getting better and better, The real question isn't what can AI do, but what will we choose to do with it?